Welcome to Miller Motorcars. My name is Lisa Anastas, and I'm the resident sales specialist here in Greenwich, Connecticut. We are very excited today to introduce you to, for the very first time, Aston Martin's first ever crossover SUV. Let me take you to the front of the vehicle where you can see all of the beautiful nuances of a true Aston Martin. The first thing I want to share with you is the front sculpted bonnet. This bonnet has a lot of reminiscence to the DBX Superleggera, perfectly sculpted with two bonnet vents. Another defining piece of the front end of the DBX is the heritage front grille. Alongside that front grille is daytime running lights with an air intake, also used for aerodynamics. Let me take you to the side of the DBX where you will see more Aston Martin features. Aston Martin side strake. Included with that is the side grille for aerodynamics. As we conclude to the side of the vehicle, one continuous piece of glass, including the B-pillar being genuine glass, flush door handles, wraparound doors, and hidden waste seals. Moving to the back of the DBX, you're going to see more inspiration from our other vehicles. Rear deck flip lid, you're going to see a continuous light bar, accompanied with a rear aero wing. And after 200 plus hours of love, passion, and workmanship that goes into each Aston Martin, they finish it off with a hand-enameled piece of jewelry. Opening the rear boot space, very simple and easy with just a swipe of your foot. 22 cubic feet of space, thoughtful, purposeful. Not only do you have additional options for our fur babies, right? You have the dog space, we offer stadium seating, and space for your golf clubs. Now on the interior cabin space of the DBX, you're going to see it's just as elegant as our other DBs. Not only does the DBX offer versatility for all lifestyles, the DBX is also still a true sports car. Built off a lightweight chassis, accompanied with 3-chamber air suspension, E-differential, and electric anti-roll system for our true sports car enthusiasts. Under the bonnet features a 4-liter twin-turbo engine, Aston tuned to deliver performance of 542 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. This results in a 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds and a top speed of 181. All in all, the DBX gives you the confidence of an SUV, the exhilaration of a sports car, and the true indulgence of an Aston Martin. My name is Lisa Anastas. Come visit us here at Aston Martin Greenwich and build your very own bespoke DBX for handovers in 2020.